Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Taskbar settings directly. Right-click the taskbar and choose Settings. Once there, make sure Use Peek to preview the desktop is enabled so thumbnails appear on hover. This is the primary toggle that controls pop-up previews. Also check Combine Taskbar buttons, set it to Always, hide labels, or when Taskbar is full depending on how you want grouped previews to behave. Now that those basics are set, move to Visual Effects to ensure Windows will render thumbnails properly. Next, you adjust visual effects so thumbnails actually show. Press Windows, type View Advanced System Settings, open Performance Settings, and select Visual Effects. Enable Animate Controls and Elements and enable Peek or related options. These allow live previews and hover pop-ups. Apply the changes, then sign out or restart Explorer to load the new settings. This step forces Windows to rebuild taskbar behavior. Once done, test by opening multiple windows and hovering over taskbar icons to confirm the pop-up thumbnails appear as expected. Finally, complete configuration and handle common failures. If previews do not appear, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer immediately. This reloads the taskbar. Make sure your graphics drivers are current and install any pending Windows updates, because driver or OS mismatches can disable thumbnails. If problems persist, create a new user profile to check if the issue is per user. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Peek off and on again, then restart Explorer. This often clears caching glitches and restores taskbar pop-up windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.